Multiplying binomial by binomial, we are using FOIL method. FOIL method means first terms, O stands for outer terms, I stands for inner terms, and L stands for last terms. In the expression x plus 3 multiplied by the quantity of x minus 5, x and x are what we call the first terms. These are the first terms. The outer terms are x and negative 5. So these are the outer terms. Inner terms are these two expressions. These are the inner terms. And then 3 and negative 5 are the last terms. So these are the last terms. So you need to multiply the first term, outer terms, inner terms, and last terms. For the first terms, you are going to multiply x and x here, wherein it is equal to x squared. For the outer terms, you need to multiply x and negative 5, and the answer here is negative 5x. For the inner terms, you will be multiplying 3 and x times 3 is equal to 3x. And then lastly, for L, you need to multiply 3 and negative 5, which is equal to negative 15. After getting the product of these four terms, you need to combine like terms. If you are going to notice, 5x and 3x are considered like terms. So we are going to combine them. And since they have different sign, it means we need to subtract the coefficient and we need to follow the sign of the bigger number. And negative 5x and 3x when combined is equal to negative 2x. Therefore, the final answer are these. So the product of x squared, x plus 3 times x minus 3 is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 15. Let us have another example. We have 2x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 1. You need to multiply the first terms. Here are the first terms. So we have 2x multiplied by x. And then the outer terms are 2x and negative 1. So you multiply 2x and negative 1. For the inner terms, I have negative 3 and x. So you have negative 3 multiplied by x. And then for the last terms, we have negative 3 and negative 1. And if we multiply negative 3 and negative 1, it is equal to positive 4. This one is 2x squared. This one is negative 2x. This is negative 3x. These again are like terms. They have the same sign, so you need to add and cut the sign. So the answer here is negative 5x. Therefore, the answer in 2x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 1 is we have 2x squared and then negative 5x, and then this is positive 4.